My hummingbird.
My love.
My sunshine. I promise to support you, to love you.
You are my breath, my heartbeat. I promise to love you.
In health.
In sickness.
Till death.
Do us part.
You can now unveil the bride.
Beauty lies in the
You may kiss your bride.
when you find that special someone. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Thank you, my year fulfillment.
And you're flying so high. Without
I'm really happy.
I can see that. Me too, dear. I'm more than happy. I wish today is my birthday.
Myself, I wish this can continue. This will go exactly on and on and on. Love you.
Love you more, dear.
Love you.
My conclusion of life.
Can't wait to get to the hotel.
Yeah, I can't wait to undress you.
Oh, you crazy!
Yeah, I can't wait to do that too.
Henry. Yeah, Robert to Adia now was a Ghanaian. I made the name who.
Auto day.
Yeah, flower. Auto flower who Johnny will never make us as a baby crest.
Bemba.
Charlie.
Now, we'll be a me, my home. We can go to a crime. Me, and my son, I mean, we're going to be no. Jesus, Charlie.
Some me who to animate you, Munteja. You do the home commander, or and I may worry. It's the mammy Johnny, you know, never be antia.
I worry. Oh, bra.
Then
my fatty, face fat. Hey, Robert, you know, no company house.
And the end, the woman's out there.
More times, I'm quiet.
No, bra.
What don't want to see our bro?
And they are no credit, but they say me show.
Who now more bright, Mina?
No, bra.
it's been the
Big on fire.
You know that I know that you know that we know that you know that you love me. Anything that I think before I say, before I wake, could do for me. Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl.
Hey, where did he? Oh, Jay, Nasam Gitwa.
Oh yeah, because
Where did
my dear, we show my and the way I know my brother. Obana twin much na do and then yes tia brace we again no be worry. To nyane sa no my man na ye na just so the new sim no worry no. So the measure tia ma aware na kasa no no na gisa gathering no aware e no ye kra ba ho do ye.
Sir?
No pay my this I show you no go. The way I know my city code. Person when you renew your dear no.
Sir? Any year renew.
Yes,
sang young worry for
5 years abbreviation.
Not in the Mapu, they sent me co crazy. I'm to say, was a warm young and for
Yeah, my dear.
Sure, Nasam Gitwa. Now, I'll quite dinner when you win. Should you pay bar or pass? I didn't see you come on.
Tinama.
my God.
I'm a man now. The Bible says it is difficult to find a virtuous woman. But I found one. My pretty damsel.
Hi, darling.
You've made me a man today. And it's my prayer that God will grant you beautiful wives, just like mine.
Congrats.
Oh, I like that. I heard that. Who said that? Who said amen? You said. You.
No, not me. That's him.
You?
No.
What?
I heard it. You're running away.
You guys are running away from marriage. Wow.
We are not ready to settle down.
Eat and eat and eat.
Baby, you're right. You're going some wine or something.
Oh my God. Shh. My qualified property. Damn. Oh my God. At long last. Put it down.
I said at the restaurant that I was gonna feed you at the restaurant and you will feed me in the bedroom, but now I'm gonna feed you here. Tonight I'm in charge. For real.
You know I love food. You know I love food.
Who's that?
Did you order for something?
No, I didn't order for anything.
Shh. A minute.
Oh.
Honey. I set the table down here from me. I
call for them. We must set the bed. We must set the table. And then
Come on, bro. Let's go down and have fun. We are friends. We are still brothers.
And so what?
Sharing is caring, bro.
You sick in the head. We do everything together, but not this one. This one, I will do it alone. Right. Good job today. Job today. Job today. Give it to me. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Oh, baby.
What?
Let me just jump it. Just someone.
It turns you on, right?
Okay.
Babe, stop it!
Oh, yes. Let me just rush to the washroom. I'll get back.
You can do one before taking a shower.
That won't be bad. We call it quickie.
No, I don't need a big dress. All right. Should I join you?
Oh yeah. Come over.
No, you finish. And I'll take my time and come over and then wash my pot. I want to take my time and wash it so clean that you can eat from it.
Ooh, I love that.
Baby.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Can't wait to have you here.
Ajit. Angie. Angie.
Who that?
Jack. You guys bed.
What's up?
Charlie. You guys don't see my wife.
Your wife? No, I don't see your wife.
Better you guys did it down there and be like, oh, you see I'm crying. Where you
Nah.
Hey. Go. Come on. Charlie, relax. Go feed somebody in the room. Don't come so Alfred.
Alfred.
Alfred. What are you doing here?
Why are you asking me this kind of question?
This is not the room I rented for you.
I changed the room.
You changed the room.
Yeah, I changed it.
Where's my wife?
What is the problem?
Alfred. Where is my wife? Alfred.
Why?
Alfred, Charlie, I did search for my wife. I know they see her. Charlie, we'll go search her. Charlie, let's go. We'll search her. We'll go. Leave the girl. Go. Come, go search her. Charlie, come. Did you hear the name? Angela. Angela. We are in the number one country. I say, it be about a baby. I'm not sure any name is and I April food in a way.
Oh, Master, baby.
If you Angela, me.
Angela! Angie! Angela! Angie! Angela!
Angela! My fetcher. We need you. Hey, Charlie.
Angie! Angela! Hey! Charlie. Charlie, yes. Charlie, where should we be again?
We are sure Angela cash and job. Which is it? Charlie. Now, baby, Jack, yes, you. Charlie. Yeah, that's it. I can't jump. I'm alive here. Huh? I'm alive here. Charlie, who's I'm alive here? BSU. Hey, the wedding night, oh. Charlie, today be on a wedding night, oh. Today you on a wedding night. Kai! Our wedding night, Jesus. Angela! Hey! Hey! Obi bow. The man even say hotel. You know what you my toe? I swear, my toe will also tell my chair. Give me the I swear, this is my chair. Just 3 minutes, let them do what you do. Just 3 minutes. Angela! Angie! Angela! Angie! Angie! On a wedding night, oh, challenge on a wedding night. Oh my God. Oh. Angie! Angie! Yora!
Please don't kill me. Please let me go to my husband, please.
Daniel. Daniel, fast! Fast! Bring your hand. Fast! Shh, Ishuru. Kimena wasani. Kusema wasani kini. Ki wasarenki after. Onso njukua, onso wono. Julia, turn fast. How you doing now?
Ofori.
Ina da hanya in kashe ki. Amma zan bar ki nan. saboda ina da abin da nake so ne an sami magana ina son kale kaina bisho ake mosi ese e pro ma dwen ni so we dia metias enipa yeye wedding amafo be wo bie ni agi wo bie kanfo wedding na we dia bedru fi a hotel ya obesi mayira sa ni nipa yira obi anka na kuma antona na minim se dako oba no san bi Robert we go police station na akoye report ato say le be ya dachi bi tia no aba why
we won't come for Miss I saw the can Emelia. They see no Matifia. I saw me a cry yak. Name Nana. Me will be a crime to the abois, Nana. I hear Brahman and Natiasiano, Namanetiano. Watch him out, watch a DB. No, or any to Monica Kamami. It's a baby, no, the mamma, no mention my hair. I'm man and say qua. Major Hodgma, I'm a boy. Major Hodgma. Eno kuma. Ana, na kumbe be bari jinsi ya. Na me na mu me hwe. Entakrem. Ana, kwan ne ko enkan no. Musi onyina kesi bisi kwanzo. O kwai ni faso. O pai bonku. Asibre. Me sane, me na huhu. Ana me piriso. Me piriso na. Me wosi won nam kwam tin po bi mu. E ko kono. Ana me se be twene ba. Ah, o se gan. Wo den gon. Me twene ba. Na me na me sew. Ana me se be sanko. Me sanko na so kan sita. Kana pesa nkumnya usa company yetu wabo ni yepo aso akofo na me se kwanda ho me se ko pesa mo mia se mo ya no fu yes me bro na me bra to work at no to ya beta kanwa Mahuno hey oba bra ukulfro oba bra oba hey Nana ko no so Nana mtete ba beso mo msi o se san asibere
kila nduma ni mutumin banza ne ko to na nuna miki kuma ni ba mutumin banza bane inda na kawo kinga ina da hanya in kashe ki amma na son batunki isa na barki nan da makomanki shine kasa zaki butulce bi kina bi wannan dan iska kin fita bayana isa hankali ni banda ni ba mugu mutum bane kina so yin mugu shi zan miki mugu soyayya nike yi da ke ni ba masiyaci ba amma abu guda nike nema wurinki justice is what I want.
I damn you go with me. What can I buy my daughter, Aji?
You will find your point, okay? Don't worry, you'll find it.
Aji, I'm dying.
No, stop crying.
I'm dying.
Aji,
me muti, Aji, me surubo.
Hey, Busan, never catch you. So don't want any problem here.
I'm going to tell my priest. I need prayers. Where?
I promise. You'll find it.
This time, Chrissy, what I do. You can't come and tell us so many years I heard my see. And this will be here, and I'll be crying here around for that. So, you come here, what 24/7 years now, I see. But who said no, for big couple of people from my nan, I don't know, boss.
Okay, and you're manager.
What's on your mind? But be 2 hours time.
All right, be 2 hours time. Any problem? Any only. Oba was here no Central Police Station. Buffalo Unit. Why? Oba you on report or many the contacts.
No problem.
All right. Calling number
+233 551 602794.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Oba also on report. Why? I was Central.
Yeah, hello? Talk to your wife.
Hello. Yes, come and save me, please.
Angie! Hello?
Let her go. It's impossible. You can't force me to leave this girl. Because if I had wanted to kill this girl, I would have killed her long ago. Somebody na sugani gaskiya. Shi yasa ban kashe yariyan gaba. Akwai wani dan iska nake kira shi Robert. He is the one who killed Angela's youngest sister, Bernice.
Me?
Yes.
Killing my lovely wife family member. I would never do that. Me domeyiri. Nyadi me ye musuo say atene busu ani bia. Ye ba man kan che we so ofa no boni ni bia ne ni ehyewa baniti. O ka sense so.
We can never be blind forever. You think you are smart, Robert? We are smarter than you. My name is Salif Banda. I am a CID. I have all your evidence on my phone here. Officer, come have a look at it. You can run, but you can never hide.
It's been the
Beat on fire.
You know that I know that they know that we know that you know that you love me. Anything that I think before I say, before I wake, could do for me. Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? You show me true love, true love, true love, true love. Say me, yo, I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Because of you, now I can do whatever, wherever and however. You are my treasure. Forever you and I will live together. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Come to me, play with me, love with me, dream big with me, walk with me, marry me, live with me, have babies with me.
Robert, believe you me, so we are lucky. Now we Angela, we As your papa dijano, peje di say gold was assassin so. Gold there peer assassin in yasem ketwa. Recently, China for be by one kind. Angela and Penny. If you have that girl there, believe you me, your life will change for the better.
Mami. Na assassin a dear potting Timon Persoma ton good in Intiana. But no so person become be at you.
Hey, and they're your top secret. Mekrano, link in Nikwisa make catch you. But Maka, please let me trust you on this. In Nikwisa will catch you most as the most untrobia.
Mami, now uncle Menko. Maybe, men perceive as a beer. Good in a warm assassination dinner beer me peggen. Angela na ma be pen on my dono like me who say yes. We your badge say me chuchu mucho like hey me fimpa dear bako me who Angela ye pen me pen tin fan sure dream say via Robert cry in a good in it no pana me pen ti me pese ubua me na kakra sa na me nya Angela ware no na se me nya Angela there de me ya mama we few assassin so that unko for camera na na moyi meje tear rubber so where
are you sure
mami me
hey Robert if only says I promise we are okay uminia and you trust me I will do whatever within my power
for real mami anyway they can more feel you shit jiwe we cry and ketuam fa we huru ani manopa. Don't see the Pabia Sora Power Hole when you see one say the breakfast. No, Chena, you show me the breakfast crowd the other count when you crab show.
You have her.
Mammy, maybe Brabren. Put the Buamia, and I'm saying grappy gay. I come on and say what tear to me do. Now, doggy sour boy, concert boy, we did in a chino. Mammy, we deal or deal with Sociedia, a farmer, also a farmer.
But the number.
Trying to be behind.
Angela, truth be told. Banda doesn't deserve you. That guy is a criminal. A hardened one at that. He's a hardened criminal who doesn't know Banda. He is not the kind of guy you can stay in a room as husband and wife. That guy can harm you. I don't want that to happen.
Belta. Do you know Banda very well? I've been with this guy for some time now. Most of the time we are together. If you care to know, he can't even hurt a fly. Look, most of the time we are at the gym. People troop in and out. Not even a single soul have been around to complain about his behavior or something. You know what you have to do? Get to know him better. Listen up. Banda is so loving and caring and fun to be with. I love him and I know that he loves me as well. So, I mean, it might be a hearsay or maybe because he's, thick and tall and a giant, people might feel because of his body or he's a criminal or something. He's not. He's a genuine guy. God forbid that I better would get an inch closer to that criminal called Banda. Hey, Angela, don't make it seem like I didn't tell you. Don't make it seem like I did not warn you as a friend though. Because tomorrow people will come and say, I better knew that guy and didn't tell her friend. Angela, if you like, I can take you to Croft Room. That is where he was born and bred. Even a baby born today knows that Banda. They will tell you everything about him. He's a Langard. And you know how far Langards can go. They can kill any day, any time, and even anyhow. Angela, that guy will just harm you. Banda will just kill you someday. And I don't want it to seem like tomorrow, some way, somehow, I'll be like, hey, I wish Angela was alive. No, that is not my portion. And I even refuse it. So Angela, listen to me now. Let's make it while the sun shines. So that Banda guy cannot be trusted. He can't be a husband, not at all.
Nice place.
Yeah, thank you.
I want to register to start training here. What do I do?
Well, first of all, you need to start with registration of 500 Ghana cedis, and then every month you pay 20 cedis. Training starts in the morning like 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then in the evening, we start from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m.
That's cool. So, every month you pay 20 cedis?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
So, do you want to go ahead with registration?
Not now. I'll come tomorrow in the afternoon and I'll just pass through the process.
That's fine.
Okay, that's good. So, is he the instructor?
Oh, pardon me for my manners. That's my boyfriend. He owns this place.
It's your boyfriend?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I like your Okay, so, you still don't remember me?
No.
You came to my birthday party with your friend Alberta.
Oh my, sorry. I now remember. Somewhere last week.
Yeah.
Birthday boy. Oh mine.
Oh, that's nice. But you left so early.
Yeah, my boyfriend was ill, so I needed to go take care of him.
Boyfriend, no, his boyfriend. No, that's good.
That's good.
Right. Senior, I salute you. Thank you, Frank. Okay,
right.
All right, thank you.
Bye. You said you want to join us. You said you want to join us.
How are you knowing?
Yeah, we went to his party last week.
No problem.
I'm tired. I just want to go rest.
Is there anything?
I'm tired.
Angela. You see, the first day you introduced your boyfriend to me, I couldn't sleep. I know you want to ask me why. Don't, because I will tell you why. I got so scared. I was so scared, so terrified in my room. Angie, I was like, Angie, are you sure that guy is your boyfriend? I was thinking. I was like, no, I have to confront you and just tell you. Maybe you have no idea about who your boyfriend is. When you introduced that guy to me, you did not watch him well. He was looking at me with certain eyes, because he knew I know him. You see, I was shivering in there. You see, I wanted to register that same day, that day, nah. But I was like, this guy, my instructor, he can even use the metal to hit my head. You have no idea who that guy is. Baby, trust me, that guy is an armed robber.
Come on, listen. You don't know him. Maybe you need to register at the gym, get to know him better. My boyfriend is a simple guy. He's a gym instructor, a bodybuilder, and he owns that gym.
Oh, that's what we all do. Even all these Italian mafias, that's what they do. They all have some eatery joint somewhere. This is what we do. No, they have something that they are doing. And that is the same thing your boyfriend is doing to you. He's a landguard. Oh, he didn't tell you that one too? You have no idea? He's a rapist. Oh, and that one, you know, right? You don't know that one too? Oh, he's also an assassin.
Look, my boyfriend is not a killer. He is not a rapist. I respect you so much. The fact that you love me doesn't give you any right to say all those bad things about my guy. You know what? I'm not interested in this conversation anymore. Don't call me again. Excuse me.
Gaskiya bane ki yadda da ni kana ne yadda da ki saboda soyayya abin wasa bane bayan fita bayan ki jin duki wata kuma soyayyan ba yadda ba soyayya bane
It is never true.
And why did he say that? Why did he say all that about you?
Ki yarda da ni. Kan na yarda da ke. Amma yanzu ya zama kaman ke ba za ki ji da magana na ba. Kina ji da inda wannan dan iska ke fadi. I'm not a killer. Saboda in za ji da abin da ke tafiya, soyayyar mu ba za ta yi karfi ba. Bisa nake gaya miki kaman ki bar magana wannan dan iska, ni ke da magana na. Ban jin kashe mutum, ban taba kashe mutum kuma ba. Ki gane. And did you believe that?
Listen, I wouldn't be here if I believed whatever he said. I trust you.
Good.
Banda.
Angela.
Inasonka.
Inasona? Then trust me.
Sister Angela, please don't change your mind. Marry him.
I love Banda. But
what? Remember where you guys started. You can't just abandon him like that.
Sis, Robert is saying the same thing. And Belta too is saying the same thing. It's getting me confused. Two people. All of them are saying the same thing.
I'm your younger sister, and this is the little advice I have for you. Banda is a good person and can be a good husband as well. He's not a killer as you all think. Please marry him.
Did you say killer?
Yes.
Sis, where did you hear that from?
I heard you when you're making a call.
Oh. Just go inside and...
I want the best for you, sis.
Just go.
Okay, thanks.
Kai da iska ko? Kai ki so ka azabin duniya ko baka ba? Kana so ka ga musiba da ke tafiya cikin duniya ga ko? Ni ina ka san ni? Ni Banda ina ka san ni? Kana yawo, kana bata sunana, kana kiusu da abin da ban yi ba. Ni barawo ne? Ina sata, ina kashe mutane, ina kwashe kudi mutane. Ina ka san ni? You are a stupid guy.
Banda.
How could you say that?
Banda, you are in my house, okay?
And so what?
And so you are making noise.
I'm making noise. Yes. Banda, I'm making noise. I will give this action to the police. And I will make sure it will end you in jail or court.
Banda, leave my house.
You leave your house. Let me tell you something. You know where you come from? Where do you come from? Where? You call yourself white man, white man. Kai babban dan iskan Balarabe Dusi daga Morocco wurin ka fito. Kuke kwana karkashin duwatsu. Baka sani ba? To bari in gaya maka. Ni Banda wanda ci ture ni ya sha miya. Sannan wanda ya tuba Banda ya tuba bala'i. Wanda ya zagi Banda ya aza duniya. Bala'i ba zai saka kanshi ba. Amma na son gaya maka kaman tanko ba abincin kare bane. Sa'annan masallacin kura kare baya sallah. Kaji ko? Na gaya maka magana. Even your father, your mother, even if you won't say me this. And let me tell you something. I will let you know your level. Because I, Banda, I know my level. Son of a bitch. Adeɛ ba asɛm.
Daddy nyɛ nyasɛm nyɛ.
Ɛnyɛ biribiara na yɛka sound of a bitch kyerɛ no. Nti mmemme yɛ bitch.
Banda. Afa. Kasin kama bina kati kanyi na beyiba. Adia koye ni wanya adie ba kokora.
Wonim se me CID. Minim se de mratie. Baby aden de wan fan to free to. Wo de bem akodi for. You know you're right. But when the right ne so. Wo ko fie ne se bibia yera. Sika bi efrato ana ye huna. What were you going to do? You did do the right thing and I make me boa.
Uncle, you are right. Banda, you have to listen to what Uncle is saying. Like, Akwe Mata Day was Ungunga. Like, beautiful. She can forget about that lady.
There are beautiful girls around.
Why do you have to do that?
I can even find you one if you want.
You can even find me.
Yeah.
Kinsa be like it, my love. So yeah, kinsani. So yeah, come on, kwanyeke. Life is like egg. But come on, come fadi. The push shikina. Kina magana. Kina gami come on. You lobby taking a new one. Zanaya fiko. Rafani, inda kai akai mo wannan. Wallahi tallahi da ba ya kada ba. Ka police officer ne da ka jabin diga kaje shi gidan amma ni ban yi haka ba. Ina na san ya guy nan ban san shi ko ina ba. The first time I met that guy was at the gym. Kaga ni ko. So wani mistake na yi. Ba na jin buga shi bane, ba na jin kashe shi bane. Na jin tambaye shi ina ni ya sani banda ina ya sani. Nake min zatutuka yana accuse na yana gama injury na kaman ni barawo ne ina kashe mutane. Ka taba ga na kashe mutum. Ka taba ga na kashe mutum ko na sha bin wani. It's unfair. So da kai ne da za ka yi. Ko kai ne kina kin takalmina ya hoda nake da shi cikin takalmina. Za da lafi ko. Na lafi. Ba lafi me sa ko wannan ma. Me sa ko wannan ganu. Kuna akiza kuma da miji da ban gyara ba. Ina kina cikin shuna ne. Lakin zafi da nake cikin shuna.
Even this girl that you are trying to kill yourself for, she's not worth it. She is a Christian, for crying out loud.
Tatuba.
Please don't do this to me, Venice. Lord, Christ, have mercy upon me, Venice. Please don't die, okay? Please don't die, okay, Venice? Hey, Jesus, my God, I'm dead, oh, Venice.
God.
Please don't die.
So who did this to my sister?
Angela, I swear I am innocent. I don't have your sister bloodshed in my hands. Wallahi tallahi, wannan kashi ban sani zama ba. Ban yin kashe mutum. Na taba kashe mutum. Ban yin yaka. Wallahi ban taba ganin man kashe mutum ba she yau. Ki tambaya tunda muka zauna ki taba ji na kashe mutum. Don Allah ke da ni ki fita ne cikin wannan magana. Za je da ni.
My friend,
ki cece ni saboda Allah.
Come.
Ban sani zama ba Angela.
Or say will be used against you in the law court.
You lie. You will regret it. I will never. Hey, Venice.
My brother is innocent.
Go.
Amen. We are here. Please have a seat.
Okay. Adi, offer them some water.
What should I do, my daughter? Why should Banda or whatever you call himself, why should that Banda do this to me? God will answer my prayers for this Banda. It won't be easy for him at all. It won't be easy for him at all, Banda.
This way, you see, you put the ball in your caucus, could be a grower. It will
get shot.
Oh, God. The young could be also kukusiku. Ni patrimu yesuma ankasa.
Angela, this is from Robert to you. Please take it and stop crying, okay? Thank you, okay? Thank you, my daughter. Take it. After I send them inside.
Tell me anything you know in this case, so that I will see what I can do to take you out of this place. Uncle, wallahi tallahi, wannan kashi ban da hannu ciki, ban san da zaman shi ba. Ka san ni ban taba kashe mutum ba, ban kashe mutum. Wani yi wanga aka rufe aka sami, amma na san cikin ikon Allah gaskiya ya tabbata. Uncle, you know me, I'm not a murderer. I can't do that. But I give everything to Almighty Allah. She knows me sakaya. She zai cece ni cikin wannan lamari. Ina da sani kamar cikin iko Allah ina bar nan. Kuma na san kamar kai ka duki matsayinka ka taimake ni kada za a yi fita nan ga. Insha Allah na san yayi. Allah baka karfi. Amin. Da lafiyar yawancin rai kada za ka yi ka cire shi wanga musiba. A san koyar kuma asirin da shi ya tuɗu. Na gode Allah taimake mu duka. Inda nake ga ba abin da nake so bane. Na akwai sauro, akwai zafi. Ina duban bannan je gida. Kuma na kai gida na roki Allah kar wanga musiba da wanga daukakiya ya samu wani mutum kuma. Bin na sanin cikin lamarin kila. Tumaci Allah kuma ya gani duka. Allah ya gani duka. I know you are not a murderer, but you have been brought here. I'll see what I can do to take you out of this place. Even if I will lose my job, I'm not afraid. I know what you can do. Yeshuru, bari kuka, Allah ya yi duka. In ka fitananka, na rasu da Allah. Na gode, Zani. Na ji wani anka. Allah kai ka lafiya. Amin. Ina gaida kowa. To, sanci.
The idea was not to kill her.
We planned that you would shoot one of her legs. Reason we decided to make it happen at Banda's house, so that people would believe Banda is a criminal. Why waste an innocent soul?
Alberta, listen, it was coincident, okay? I was even shocked when I heard that the guy is dead. I shot her leg. You see, it wasn't intentional. Why should I waste such a beautiful heart? I mean, I can't do that.
If you shot her leg, how come she died?
That's what baffles me, because I went for the leg. How come? I'm even surprised. You see, don't worry. Next time it won't happen again.
When next time means? Are you thinking of another opportunity to demonstrate your evil deeds?
But you should know that we are talking about gold. I mean, Sikakoko, Asase Sikakoko was so I wouldn't waste any little time when we have to, you see, clear away the mother. If the mother becomes obstacle to that land, we will move there. I will shoot her for shooting her hand back. So let's find a way we can, you see, just come up with some concrete ideas how we can maneuver our way through Angela. I mean, Angela is the only. Just let's see. What do you think we should do now?
Now listen to me. I have done a good job. Yes, I have executed my part of the obligation. So please.
I will get that way from today. And let's find a way to squeeze our.
No, please, I insist. Because in judgment.
Angie, I know very well this is not the right time for me to tell you what I'm about to say, but I have no choice. Angie me pewo, me dowan kase free makuma. All I need from you is for you to give me just a little chance to express my love to you. Angie, I love you. Me dowa yodo kind and me woman. Unim, and your door may be true also, and I will push you for so. Oh, I don't even want to go there. But in my opinion, and you may be free or what the be replacing. Now, it may be any passe, BBC is here, near the cushion yame. We a dear any pan, it's more soon. I yet hear Mobushia. Mamma Sa Quenya, I mean, chair or dog at show. I understand you don't talk. You don't even have to talk. Don't talk. Angie, me pen. Tia say never me Quenya Kakredi. I mean, for or dog and be part in the sooner a time with me as him. Just give me that chance to do that for you. You don't. Come on.
Don't free him. Hold him.
Stand there.
Take him. Take him away. Take me away, sir. Master.
Yeah. I better listen. The way I news in fly and none of I need too much. So they are acting quicker and go say the kind. Oh, Pesu Biji singing this mighty and 10 minutes no fee prefer for women in a press here and in film. And any train I will buy a movie will be Biji singing this amai. Yentem, why? Betrayal. Okay, bye. Bye.
Robert, time is not on our side. Let's get going. Eh? Robert, huh? Angela, what have you done? Stay away. Angie, we have just stay away! We have been searching. Robert, Angela. Angela, I've been searching everywhere for you. Where did you go to? Robert. What is happening here?
Miss Abeta, we need you at the station.
What for?
Do not utter a word, else it will be used against you in the court of law.
I don't get what is happening. Robert, Belter, you are such a disgrace. I thought you were my friend. You betrayed me. Mika mesuma sem nyina chireo. Minim se minyonko brebono. I even went to the extent say mika chireo. Me worth. E japadi a me se e dia mame. I be mama di. And I want to know ye back. Enti, what betrayed me? For what? Henceforth, do not ever come closer to me again. Officers, deal with her. Angie, I know I have been so...
Sorry, me and Kawai. Sorry.
Robert!
Mommy, sorry. Get her up.
Tabani. You can get a gaskiako? Nima, I know my level.
Asonka.
Wanya cry. Tell it to pan also, yes, I do. In fact, why no? What done for pan when the course must and pan? No one idea. You've really surprised me. One idea cry.
I know I deserve no mercy.
No.
I know I betrayed my friend. But believe me, nothing that has happened was planned. I was not myself. Robert used me. get out of here. Help me. Help me tell the world I'm sorry. My life cannot end here. No. My life should not end here. I'm sorry. I have just one word for you. I am sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I've learnt my lessons. Please, just find a place in your heart and forgive me, Banda. I am deeply sorry. That is all I can say. My love, my heart, my world, I've made so many mistakes with you. I'm sorry, forgive me. I've learned my lessons. And this should be a lesson to every woman on this earth. My love, my world, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
Angela, let me tell you something. I eventually exposed Robert for you and your mom to know that I am innocent. But not to have you back. I don't need you anymore. I don't want to see you in my life because you are not a good woman.
God knows I can't live on this earth without you. And I said I am sorry.
This is my word.
All right.
Love.
I will let you go.
It's beautiful, you know? It's Yep. Love me to music.
But I have a message for you.
Yep.
Tell my mother to bring an ambulance.
Lies in the eyes of the beholder. And when you find that special someone,
Angela.
it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful.
Come to my house.
You feel like you're on top of the world.
Come.
And you're flying so high without wings. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. When you're in love, you get the strength to fight it all. Fight it all. And when you're in love, you always feel brand new, brand new, brand new. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Love. beautiful. It's so beautiful, beautiful. Nobody else matters to you when you're in love, and every single lie is the truth when you're in love, and you don't care of what the words say. You're willing to go